Alright, how is everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the mini Manfrotto tripod. Now, I picked this guy up because I'm always looking to improve the channel. And I got this guy at a really good price. Okay? I paid $7 for this after cashing in an Amazon gift card. And I got this used for $30. But after trading in my Amazon gift card, $7 for this. And from what I hear and some of the videos I've seen, this is supposed to be a really good mini tripod. A little bit better than the miniature one I have over there. So let's unbox this and get into this. Now, if you look at the top, I had a little bit of packaging struggles, but I took care of it off camera so you guys didn't get to see me struggle. But I have to say, I like the packaging. They did a really good job here, letting you see that the tripod is adjustable, and this will work with universal smartphone adapters, which is cool because I have this Lammcou one here that I'm still putting through the review process, and then I have two Readycam camera mount adapters. So really cool. This tripod is supposed to work very nicely with those adapters and other cameras as well, but you know us, we use smartphones around here, so really good stuff. But that's it for the packaging. Now let's get into this box here. So as I said, I already cut all the tape and stuff off camera. Minimal camera struggles around here. And let's see. Oh, there's a user manual in there. I can fish it out. There we go. Nothing else in the box there. Throw this box off to the side. Alright. So right here, got the tripod itself. And I gotta tell you guys, let me get this box cardboard divider out of here. Gotta tell you guys, first impressions, holding the mini tripod in my hands. I like the textures used on it. Feels really solid in the hands. I think this is gonna work out nicely for testing the Lammcou adapter here. But real quick, let's check out this user manual and let's keep it pushing. So right there. And it looks like it comes in multiple different languages and warranty coverage. Actually, I think this is your warranty card, it looks like. Yep, this is your warranty in several different languages. So, yep, no need to worry about that. Alright, so got the tripod itself here. And it does look like it's fully adjustable. Gotta like, what is this, twist or pull? Push. Alright, fully adjustable legs, so you can go out wide. Alright, go further in here, crop to an angle, real nice, or wrap it up, use it like a selfie stick. Almost gimbal-esque style here. And not sure if this is a twist or a pull or a push. Not really trying to break it when we first got it. Okay, so it's a push. So you push it. Alright. And this is supposed to make the legs more adjustable, I'm guessing. Ah, okay. So you can go even further out with this here. And that locks them into place. So now it's locked into place like this. Okay, gotta do a little bit more playing around with it. Really good stuff here. And it looks like we got Some minimal company branding along one of the legs here. I think that's the only leg that it's on. So really solid stuff there. And yes, this does move. This is actually pretty tough. Probably have to loosen something, but that does move. And now let's throw this on there and see how it looks. So give me a second. Let me do this behind the camera. It's a little bit of a struggle when you try to do it in front of the camera. Put this on behind the camera and see how it works. Alright, yes. Much better than my other mini tripod that went on there very nicely. You see, we have minimal spacing in there. And it's just gonna work. Now I can get mad angles with this. And real quickly so y'all can see how it's gonna look, let me throw one of my devices in here. That's why I have these two devices in the frame for you guys. So let me do the let's do the Stylo 3 here. Give me 1 second. Alright. And really I've had this Lammcou adapter for a little bit over a week now. I gotta say, it's been really useful. If I could think of any gripes that I have with it, that would probably have to be the fact that it's got 2 twisting mechanisms. So everything is a twist. Whereas with my Readycam camera mount, I have 1 twisting mechanism, and pretty much once I get that the way I want it, we're good to go. This one in particular has 2. So 1 for changing the orientation and another for locking on the device. So you can see there, this is the Manfrotto with the Lammcou tripod adapter on it. And man, that looks good. And it feels really solid as well. And if I stretch it out here, bam. And that bad boy just stays up. That's real nice. And this is kind of more of what I was looking for. Because with my other tripod mount, my other mini tripod, putting on the Lammcou mount here kind of threw it off balance. Regardless of whatever smartphone I use, it kind of threw it off balance. So this one is real nice. Because now it's nice and balanced here. And it's not going to move. And I like the fact that the legs go out nice and wide. So y'all are definitely going to see a full review on this Manfrotto mini tripod. And that's going to make the review process for this Lammcou mount even easier. And yeah, really good stuff. And that looks really, really good. And I can tell y'all, once I lock the thing into space, into its proper space, it's not going to move around at all. Now I'm getting a little bit of motion right now, but seems pretty solid. Let me see if this is a spinner head like my other tripod, because I think it is. Okay, so nah, I gotta figure that out. Okay, I had to do a little bit of research and figure that out, but it's not a spinner head, because on my other tripod, that head spins, so you can tighten it or loosen it. This one does not, but still pretty solid stuff here, and this looks really, really solid. So now, because I was having some issues testing out this universal mount on my tripods, and I wanted something, you know, a little bit more sturdier. So this is a nice pickup here. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this video, y'all. I think I'm getting a phone call here. I have to call him back. I'll call him right back, though. Let me call him back. That pretty much does it for this video, guys. So this has been, as I bumped the camera like a noob. Ow, that hurt my finger. Damn. Ouch. Woo, okay, raw and uncut. We're not going to cut that out. Ow, that hurts. Probably going to get a bruise. But this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Manfrotto mini tripod. And I gotta tell you guys, first impressions, this little guy seems really, really solid. And I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of usage out of this guy. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. The full review for this little guy should be out in about a week from the posting of this video. This shouldn't take too long. I can already tell we're getting along quite nicely, so this full review shouldn't take too long at all. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Ow. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As always, if this video has piqued your interest and you want to pick this guy up, all links to where to purchase this guy will be down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description is going to be like a one-stop shop down there, and you should be good to go. And real quick before we finish the closeout, this whole video is being recorded using the 13 megapixel primary camera on the Essential Phone PH1 at 1080p, 60 frames a second. And I gotta tell you guys, it looks really, really solid through the viewfinder. And as always, if you guys and gals know anyone out there looking for some high quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone because we all deserve the best. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace. Ow, I can't feel my pinky. Alright, have a good day, everybody. Peace.